Making $10,000 in 1 month isn't just a fantasy anymore. In the digital age, we have access to tools and technologies that can supercharge our productivity and earnings. The secret? Leveraging AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech experts or big corporations anymore. It's now available to everyone, and it can be your ticket to creating an income stream faster than you ever thought possible. In this video, I'm going to reveal how I used AI-powered tools to hit $10,000 in just 30 days. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just curious about making extra money, this journey will show you exactly how I did it. When I started exploring ways to make money using AI, I realized the opportunities were practically endless. The very first AI tool I used that helped me generate income was for copywriting. Yes, AI can write for you. I started using an AI-powered writing assistant that creates high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take me to do it manually. Clients in the freelance space are constantly looking for quick, affordable content, whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media captions. So, I set up profiles on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, offering rapid content creation using AI. The results? In just 1 week, I landed enough clients to bring in over 2,000. What's incredible about using AI for copywriting is the speed. One AI tool can help you generate an entire blog post in under 10 minutes. With this, I was able to churn out content for multiple clients at once, tripling my productivity compared to when I was writing manually. But that's not all AI is good for. Once I mastered AI-driven content writing, I wanted to see where else I could apply this technology. And that's where AI-powered design tools came in. I began using AI to create designs for clients in need of logos, website graphics, and even social media posts. Tools like Canva now have AI-enhanced features that can generate design elements, color schemes, and even complete templates with just a few clicks. By offering both content and design services to my clients, I diversified my income streams. Here's the trick. Combining services using AI can set you apart from competitors who are only focusing on one thing. After nailing down freelance writing and design using AI, I turned my attention to AI-powered e-commerce. Believe it or not, AI tools can completely automate online businesses for you. One tool I used helped me research trending products to sell. These AI tools scour the internet to find products with high demand and low competition. Once I had the right products, I used another AI tool to build a Shopify store for me. In just a few hours, the entire store was ready to go. But here's the kicker. AI also handled the marketing. There are AI tools now that automatically generate Facebook and Google ads based on the product and audience you're targeting. This takes all the guesswork out of digital marketing. Instead of manually figuring out what copy or image will perform best, AI does it all for you. After setting up my store and ads, I barely had to do anything. And within the first 2 weeks, I was already seeing a few $1,000s in sales. Another AI tool that helped me skyrocket my earnings was related to investments. Financial AI tools like robo-advisors analyze market trends, investment risks, and real-time data to give you customized stock recommendations. In a month, I used AI-guided platforms to optimize my stock portfolio and saw a 15% return on my investments. With minimal effort, the AI crunched all the data and told me where to invest. It was like having a financial advisor working 24/7 without the high fees. But here's one of the most overlooked ways AI can generate income: using AI to automate customer service for small businesses. Many entrepreneurs, especially those running small online shops or service-based businesses, don't have the resources to hire dedicated customer support teams. I started offering a service where I'd set up AI-driven chatbots to handle customer inquiries, process refunds, and answer common questions. In exchange, I charged small businesses a monthly fee for managing these AI solutions. The AI chatbot tools are incredibly smart and customizable, which meant they could handle 80% of inquiries automatically. This turned into another $1,100 of recurring monthly income for me without any ongoing work on my end. And let's not forget about AI video creation tools. AI can now edit videos for YouTubers, influencers, and marketers in minutes. With AI editing tools, you can input raw footage, and the AI will cut out filler words, stitch together scenes, add transitions, and even suggest background music. I started offering AI-powered video editing as a service to content creators, helping them save hours of manual editing. It became an easy and lucrative side hustle. The beauty of using AI to generate income is that you're not just saving time, you're creating scalability. Since AI tools can handle so much work for you, it becomes much easier to manage multiple income streams at once. This is how I ended up juggling content writing, graphic design, e-commerce, customer service, and even video editing all at once, without burning out. Let's talk about one more area where AI can make you money: affiliate marketing. By using AI-driven SEO tools, I was able to rank affiliate websites higher on Google without being an SEO expert. AI can analyze keywords, write optimized blog posts, and even suggest content that will rank better on search engines. This way, I was able to generate passive income by promoting products and services through affiliate links, without spending days learning SEO tactics. The AI tools did all the heavy lifting. At the end of the day, the secret to making $10,000, or any amount of money, in 1 month is all about leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder. AI is the ultimate tool for that. It automates mundane tasks, allows you to diversify your income streams, and creates the scalability that humans simply can't achieve on their own. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered money-making, start with small steps. Experiment with 1 or 2 tools, see how they impact your workflow, and then gradually expand from there. You'll be amazed at how quickly your earnings can multiply when you let AI do the hard work. So, what are you waiting for? The future is here, and AI is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Whether it's writing, designing, selling products, investing, or offering services, AI can help you do it all, faster and more efficiently than ever. If I can make $10,000 in 30 days using these tools, so can you. It's time to start your AI-powered money-making journey today.